Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Metamask with almost minimal fees. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your Bybit application. Once you're on the home screen, click at the bottom right corner on the assets button, and after that click on this funding, and then here you can see an option that says withdraw. Simply tap here and check this, and after this you need to search USDT in the search bar and tap here. After that you need to paste your Metamask USDT address here and select a network, and after enter amount. Simply minimize this and open Metamask. Once you are on the home screen, here you can see it will be on the Ethereum mainnet, and Ethereum mainnet is the most expensive network on the USDT wallet. So you need to transfer it to BNB BEP20 Binance Smart Chain that support almost minimal fees of $1, but Ethereum support $8 fee of a particular transfer of your USDT. Simply at the top left corner, click on this network icon, and here you need to check this BNB Smart Chain mainnet. You need to tap on this, and after that your BNB Smart Chain mainnet will be active. After that you need to tap on this plus icon here, and in the search bar search for USDT, and here you can see Tether USDT on BNB BEP20 Binance Smart Chain. Simply select this, and after that you need to tap on the next button and tap on this import. My mobile phone is lagging, so it will take a minute. And here you can see that my Tether USDT on BNB Smart Chain has been imported now, and then you need to click on this Tether USDT, and after that you need to tap on this receive button here, and here you can see your BNB Smart Chain USDT wallet address. Simply copy this address and minimize this, and then you need to open your Bybit application again. After that you need to paste that particular address here, and then you need to select a network BEP20, and always keep in mind that the network you select on the Metamask, now you need to select the same network on the Bybit account also. So we select BEP20 Binance Smart Chain network, then you need to enter amount that you need to withdraw from your Bybit to Metamask. Enter it, and then you just simply click on this withdraw button, and after that it will take up to 10 to 5 minutes to withdraw from your Bybit to Metamask, and then you will be able to see your funds on the Metamask wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from your Bybit to Metamask account with almost minimal fees. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.